are critical components of the road network where two or more roads meet across. They are essential for facilitating the movement of traffic, allowing vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians to change direction or continue their journey. Intersection can vary from simple with just two roads meeting to complex with multiple roads and various forms of traffic control such as traffic light, stop sign, or roundabout. Despite their importance, intersections are often problematic areas in terms of traffic flow and safety. Let's see what's the problem in UiTM Shah Alam. Let's go.
Road safety is very crucial to ensure the safety of the user who is using the road. The road engineer must design a safe and efficient road that satisfying the certain human factors, vehicle characteristic, and their interaction with the road and the environment. The potential safety hazards on new roads must to be identified at the appropriate stage to reduce and eliminate the chances of incidents happening due to the road safety and mitigation can be applied at the early stage to minimize the cost. The hazardous features need to be identified, including the existing road as it may changes over time and relevancy on each road features with respect to the safety. It could be eliminated by improve before the crash prone to happen on the selected road.
When conducting the road safety audit, safety audit of road project in Malaysia from Jabatan Kerja Raya (JKR) guidelines were used. The study site was set to be around University Technology Mara campus in Shah Alam. The safety issue and dangers at the site were audited based on the specified guidelines and self-observation. The component that indicate the safety issues or the danger at the research area were visually inspected by field survey and presented individually. The final product represented all the data gathered and analyzed.
Welcome to University Technology Mara. Today, we address the safety issues of zebra crossing placed too close to intersection. Such placement reduce drivers' reaction times and increase accident risk. Ideally, zebra crossing should be a few meters from intersection to enhance safety by allowing drivers to focus on turns and then pedestrian. We are evaluating and adjusting the placement of zebra crossings on campus to ensure optimal safety. We urge everyone to use designated crossings and stay vigilant when crossing roads. We use counter measuring wheel to measure the distance from intersection to zebra crossing, and we identify that the distance is only 72 meters. And the standard distance is at least 80 to 100 meters.
More worryingly, the presence of uncovered manholes near the intersection poses serious safety risks for pedestrians. Addressing these issues is crucial for improving the safety and efficiency of our public transportation system. Authorities must prioritize the expansion and proper maintenance of these bus stop areas to ensure the well-being of all citizens. Today, I will highlight pressing road safety concern in UiTM, which located at bus stop near Law Faculty Building. The safety concern is about the condition of bus stop areas. These bus stops are too small to accommodate the number of commuters they serve, leading to overcrowding and significant inconvenience. Plus, it will make many drivers have difficulty in using the road because of the narrow road. Now, I will take the measurement for the bus stop area. Stay tuned.
And good night everybody. Here I'm reporting from intersection near Faculty of Law. The problem we have here is there is no street light at night. So let's go. Here I'm reporting where is this real situation where there is a street light pole but the light is not turned on. So we can see the situation here is very dark, which is as you all can see, is if that there is no intersection here, but we can see here the car is get into the intersection. That's all from me. Thank you.
We aim to provide a safe and organized environment. A recurring issue is improper parking at intersection, which disrupt traffic and possess safety risks by blocking visibility. To ensure safety, park at least 10 meters away from intersection. Use designated parking areas to avoid hazard and fines. We understand that parking space can be limited, but parking at intersection creates hazard. We urge everyone to use designated parking areas and follow campus parking guidelines. That's all.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. With me again, Muhammad Shazwan Amin. Here I'm at the same location as the last night, which is the intersection near Faculty of Law, where today I want to report about the uneven road patching near the intersection, which is we can see here. Right now, the road patching is covered by a vehicle, so we can see that there is uneven road patching that has been done here. This will be dangerous to the user, the end user of this road, especially for the motorcyclists. When at night, here there is no street light and there is uneven road patching, which will cause an accident happen here. That's all from me.
Now we are here at the Bukit Tonggek intersection. Over here, we have identified some issues, and one of the main causes of the issues are the geometry condition. The geometry condition are one part of it are on the positive side of the vertical alignment, and another part is in the negative side of the vertical alignment. So this when a driver or vehicle go through this road, especially from that side, due to its sudden change of vertical alignment, it makes the the side distance from the positive side become really short. Hence, the driver cannot see the upcoming vehicle from the other side.
And here is the POV of the driver, and here is the limited side distance where the vertical alignment change abruptly, hence making the driver hard to anticipate any approaching car. Next, we move on to the next issue, which are
One of the issues are glare, especially at night, because glare can cause a temporary blindness for the driver, especially for the negative vehicle when they meet up with the vehicle approaching from the positive side of positive alignment, vertical alignment side. So we can to prove this, we can move on to the POV of the driver itself. Let's go.
so now right here, this is the POV of the driver driving at night, going to the Bukit Tonggek intersection. And this video, this is from the negative side of the Bukit Tonggek. And right over here, we can see that when approaching the intersection, we will meet with the car from approaching side, and the driver will left stunned for a brief moment.
So right now we're at the intersection near Bukit Tonggek. So in here we have a problem where the road marking is too far from the intersection, where it can result in drivers stopping too late or not at all. And road marking plays a crucial role in guiding drivers and pedestrians. However, when this marking is placed too far from the intersection, can create confusion and also increase safety risk. So another problem in this intersection is the road signage. Here, we have no road signage for a U-turn, but there are still several drivers that make an illegal U-turn at the intersection, where it can lead to traffic congestion, accidents, and also pose significant risk to both drivers and also pedestrians.
So U-turn should only be made in designated areas where signage indicates it is safe to do so. Making a U-turn at the intersection that is not designed for this maneuver can confuse other drivers and also lead to dangerous situations. So here are the example of a drivers making an illegal U-turn.
First mitigation is for the parking areas. So we urge everyone to use a designated parking areas and follow the campus parking guidelines, because by parking responsibly, you help to create a safer campus for everyone. Second one is for the crossing. So we urge everyone to use the designated crossings and remain vigilant while crossing the roads, and to always check for oncoming traffic, and also to make eye contact with the drivers before stepping onto the road. And then lastly is for the U-turn signage. To mitigate the lack of no U-turn signage on a road, we need to consider implementing the traffic signage installation. So we need to install a clear and invisible no U-turn signs at the appropriate locations, especially at the intersections and where the U-turn are commonly attempted but unsafe. Because by doing so, you can effectively reduce the incidence of unsafe U-turn and to improve overall road safety.
In conclusion, the objective for this study has been achieved, which is to measure the road safety audit in your ITM. Based on the results obtained, it can conclude that the overall road condition is not in a good state that make the road more dangerous for the road users. There are a lot of problems identified on this existing road that may adversely affect the safety of any road user. Therefore, the problems that have been identified in the study should be treated quickly, and the hazards should be eliminated immediately to avoid the high occurrence in the number of accidents. The authorities need to regularly monitor problems along the road to ensure the road users do not violate the rules set by the authorities. By conducting the road safety audit, it can prevent accidents from occurring through the execution of its findings that include recommendation for the mitigation measures. Overall, road safety audit not only helps reduce the potential risk of accidents but also upgrades the road safety on the existing road.